Before you choose a cabinet color for your kitchen this year, you might want to see this, because designers say most kitchen renovations go wrong at the exact same step. Choosing cabinet colors that look great today, but feel outdated in just a few years. And right now, the biggest shift in kitchen design is happening. The cold gray kitchens that dominated the last decade are officially on their way out, and they're being replaced by warmer, richer colors that make kitchens feel more expensive and more modern. In this video, we're going to be showing you 5 kitchen cabinet colors designers are obsessed with in 2026, including one color that's quickly becoming the new white kitchen. And if you're planning for a remodel soon, we have everything you need here at Apex. Visit apexgraniteoutlet.com. Let's get into it. Number 1. Neutral cabinets are dominating kitchen design in 2026 because they solve several problems homeowners and designers care about right now. Timelessness, flexibility, warmth, and resale value. But designers actually see it as the ultimate luxury move right now. Neutrals create a warm and comfortable feeling in the kitchen. For years we saw that super cold look, bright whites and icy grays everywhere, but homeowners are moving away from that. Instead, we're seeing warmer tones like taupe, mushroom, cream, and soft grayish. These colors make a kitchen feel calm, relaxed, and actually lived in. The kitchen isn't just a place to cook anymore. It's a place where people hang out, entertain, and spend time with family. Neutral cabinets are timeless. If you choose something bold like bright blue or forest green, it might look amazing today, but 5 years from now, it could feel dated. Neutral tones age much better, which make them a safer investment. Neutral cabinets basically work with everything, whether your style is modern, Mediterranean, farmhouse, or minimalist. These tones blend seamlessly with materials like natural wood, marble countertops, stone backsplashes, or brass hardware. Neutrals help kitchens feel bigger and brighter. Neutral cabinets aren't just a safe choice anymore. They're actually the most sophisticated and versatile design trend happening right now. If you're looking for neutral colors to brighten your kitchen, we have a great set of options here at Apex Home Outlet for you to check out. Link in description. Number 2. If you're paying attention to kitchen design trends in 2026, you've probably noticed one color popping up everywhere. Bold blue cabinets. From deep navy to rich cobalt, designers are leaning heavily into blue, and there are a few big reasons why this color is taking over modern kitchens. Blue has become the new neutral. For years, homeowners relied on white, gray, or beige cabinets because they felt safe and timeless. Bold blues give that same versatility while adding a lot more personality. A deep navy cabinet can work with marble countertops, brass hardware, wood floors, or stainless steel appliances. It's flexible enough to fit in almost any kitchen style. Bold blue cabinets create depth and contrast without feeling too harsh. Black cabinets can sometimes make a kitchen feel heavy or closed in. Blue, on the other hand, adds drama while still feeling calm and inviting. That balance is exactly what designers are aiming for right now. Another big reason for the trend is that people are moving away from the all-white kitchen. For nearly a decade, white kitchens dominated home design, but in 2026, homeowners want spaces that feel warmer and more personal. Bold colors, especially blues and greens, bring life back into the kitchen while still keeping things elegant. Blue also pairs incredibly well with natural materials, which are another huge trend right now. So if you're seeing bold blues everywhere in 2026, it's no accident. Do yourself a favor. Head on over to Apex's website to see our blue cabinets. We have plenty of options to make your kitchen stand out. Number 3. Earthy green kitchen cabinets are dominating design trends in 2026 because they perfectly match 3 major shifts happening in interior design right now. The move towards natural-inspired spaces, warmer color palettes, and kitchens that feel more relaxed and livable. And designers everywhere are embracing shades like sage, olive, moss, and forest green. So why is this color suddenly everywhere? It's all about the shift towards nature-inspired design. Homeowners want spaces that feel calming and connected to the outdoors, and earthy greens do exactly that. These tones mimic natural landscapes, think forests, plants, and moss, which instantly make a kitchen feel more grounded and relaxing. For years, the dominant look was cool gray or all-white kitchens, but designers say homeowners are moving away from that sterile feel. Earthy greens bring warmth and personality, while still feeling elegant and timeless. Another reason these colors are so popular is how well they pair with natural materials. Earthy green cabinets look incredible with light oak, walnut wood, natural stone countertops, and warm brass hardware. This combination creates a rich, layered look that feels both modern and organic. Designers now treat muted greens almost like a new neutral. Shades like sage or olive add character without overwhelming the space, making them perfect for open concept homes where the kitchen blends into the rest of the living area. Finally, there's the social media factor. Earthy green kitchens photograph beautifully, especially with natural light and wood textures, which has helped push the trend across design blogs, Instagram, and Pinterest. So if you're seeing more green kitchens lately, it's not a coincidence. Earthy greens capture everything homeowners want right now. If you want to take a look at some earthy green cabinet options for your kitchen renovation, please stop by our website, located in the description below. Now for the next cabinet color that is changing the game. Number 4. Another cabinet color that's dominating kitchens in 2026 is sleek matte black. Matte black instantly gives a kitchen a high-end modern look. Unlike glossy finishes, matte black absorbs light instead of reflecting it, which creates this rich, velvety texture that feels incredibly sophisticated. When you pair matte black cabinets with clean lines, handleless doors, and built-in appliances, the entire kitchen starts to feel more architectural, like something out of a luxury design magazine. Matte finishes are actually very practical. Glossy cabinets tend to show fingerprints, smudges, and streaks, especially in a busy kitchen. But matte black does a better job of hiding everyday wear and tear. That means less constant cleaning while maintaining that sleek, polished look. Another reason matte black cabinets are so popular in 2026 is how beautifully they pair with natural materials. Designers are combining them with warm woods like oak and walnut, stone backsplashes, and marble countertops. Matte black also works surprisingly well as a bold neutral. It can anchor a kitchen while still allowing other elements, like brass hardware, wood islands, or statement lighting. Many kitchens are even using matte black just on the lower cabinets while keeping the uppers lighter for balance. Matte black kitchens look incredible on camera. The dramatic contrast, the lighting, the shadows, it all photographs beautifully, which is a big reason you're seeing this trend all over Instagram, YouTube, and modern home tours. So if you want a kitchen that feels modern, dynamic, and timeless all at the same time, visit apexgraniteoutlet.com and check out some sleek matte black cabinets that could truly transform your kitchen space. Number 5. Even though design trends are shifting towards warmer tones and wood finishes, classic white cabinetry remains a major presence in 2026 for several reasons. White cabinets work with nearly every design style, from modern minimalist to farmhouse or transitional, and they pair easily with countless countertop, backsplash, and flooring choices. That adaptability keeps them relevant even when the trends come and go. White reflects light more than any other finish, making kitchens feel larger and more open. This effect is especially valuable in smaller homes or open-plan designs where brightness and airiness are prized. Kitchens with classic white cabinets often sell faster and look move-in ready in real estate listings. Unlike bold colors that may fall out of favor, white provides a neutral backdrop that lets homeowners update hardware, countertops, backsplashes, and accents without replacing cabinets. This blank slate quality supports evolving styles without committing to temporary trends. White remains one of the most commonly selected cabinet colors, often used on upper cabinets while deeper hues or wood tones appear on islands or lower units. Classic white cabinets continue to dominate in visibility and overall appeal because they're timeless, versatile, and buyer-friendly. Make sure to stop by apexgraniteoutlet.com to pick out some classic white cabinets or check out a store near you. So if you're planning kitchen renovation in 2026, these are the cabinet colors designers are loving right now. Warm neutrals for timeless elegance. Bold blues for depth and sophistication, earthy greens for natural calming spaces, matte black for modern drama, and soft classic whites for brightness and versatility. The biggest overall shift in kitchen design is moving away from cold, sterile spaces and toward kitchens that feel warmer, richer, and more connected to natural materials. Cabinet colors play a huge role in that transformation. If you're planning for a remodel soon, check out our online store or in person at Apex Granite Outlet. Thank you for watching.